matter what you are wearing, you are still her. No matter what people say about you, you are still her. No matter what, you are still going to be her. Through Christ, you are always going to win. I be talking about the quality that don't be hitting on nothing. You don't be hitting on nothing because you don't know how to pick them out. Thank you.
Believe in yourself, and don't just believe in yourself in the bed laying down every day. Like, you gotta go. You gotta go. Don't wait on nobody. Pray, yes, pray, but work hard at the same time.
Girls, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I talked to you all. Literally, it's probably been like 10 months, close to a year, right, since I have been on my YouTube channel, and I have been so appreciative that we hit 500, oh, I'm speaking into existence, 500 subscribers. Today I'm going to be doing a haul on all of my things that I got from the app that shall not be named. I am frustrated a little bit, y'all, but I'm pushing through with this content because my TikTok was suspended. So hopefully by the time that you see this video, it will be restored in Jesus' name. We pray over her and we decree and declare. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all these bags that I got. Some are from the app that shall not be named and some are not. I feel like it's a level of confidence you have to wear something from the app that shall not be named. Like, I have a level of confidence to wear this like, yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up? You know, I'm showing y'all what I got from the app that shall not be named. I'm gonna leave it at that because I don't want to get in trouble. But if you're interested in this video, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, let's get to 1,000 subscribers now. Okay. This bag from here, this for the app that shall not be named. It is this tabby bag. Honest, not the best. Not the best. This is my first purchase from the app that shall not be named. And comparing it to this bag, it's differences in this bag. If you all want a more dedicated video of this, I will definitely give it to you all. But let's focus. This is how the inside looks. This is more of a budget-friendly bag. This is probably the less expensive bag that I have in my collection. Still cute. I'm still gonna wear her. I have not worn her yet. And honestly, most of the things that are mishaps are inside the purse. Here's inside. It does come with the name on there, and you know, it's still cute. This is not a whole, you know, department like it should be, but it's okay. I love the new styles of this bag because it mimics the high-end bag, you know what I mean? If you know, you know. This is not as long as I want it to be. I am a tall girl, so it really sits kind of low on me. I mean, high on me. Like, this is the bag. This is the bag on me. I'm really a fan of wearing bags like this, neither. Like, this is just, I don't know. I don't really like that. I'm not a shoulder bag girl. So this, I just end up, I'm probably like, when I do wear her, I'm gonna wear her like this, you know, a little more, so it can just be like this. I want it to just be a handbag, you know, flimsy as well. However, from the naked eye, it looks good. A lot of people don't really notice, but from somebody that wears her, like all of my, you know, what's the names come from, you know. But I still will wear it. I don't care. Right into this bag. She is so stunning. OMG, she is so stunning. Love her, love her, love her, love her. She is exactly what she needs to be. It did come with a box in there, you know, in there. It's magnetic. I'm not gonna show the name. Don't want to get in trouble. So, but she has this on there where she can just and this is perfect for us tall girls. Like, perfect. I am 5'8", y'all. I'm 5'8". I'm tall. So she is stitched really well. This is the mini. I believe this is like an 18, maybe a 20. Don't quote me on that, but this is such a cute purse. Like if you're wanting to gift this to somebody. Side note, I am getting my friend one of these bags. She's getting like a classic flap, and I cannot wait to get it. I've been trying to tell her, like, girl, I'm getting you a bag, I'm getting you a bag. And she's just like, don't tell me it's my birthday. So I'm excited for her to have her bag. This is how the inside looks. And it does have this, does have that in there, like the name on the zipper, as well as the name right here. Zipper works, you know, no issues with the zipper. I have the symbol over here, not sure if you guys can see it, and then this is the logo as well. She's cute. She's taking it, honey. She is taking it, okay? This was probably my second purchase off of the app that shall not be named. Amazing quality. Amazing quality. This is probably a little, this is double for what I paid for the other bag. It's 100 and something. Actually, this is a sample, to be honest. But I know that their prices are 100 and something. I got another bag from this seller, and I am so excited to get it. I keep checking the app like, when it's coming, when it's coming, when it's coming, you know? So, y'all, she is beautiful. She's sturdy. I've worn her once. Comes with this, you know, all the cards in there. Her on the inside, symbol, name. She is verified. She has that in there, as well as she has a serial number in here as well. Lipstick holder, you put your lipstick there. I probably won't want to put nothing in here. She sits really well. Like, I wear her like this. This is a medium. Chain is heavy. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? On the arm. I don't wear her like that. I wear her like this. Of course, a little more, you know, crisp with it. But I wear her like this. And she is stunning. I am a silver girl. I love silver hardware. It's just something about it that stands out to me. It just complements my skin so weird. Like, I love silver. She don't lean or nothing. Look at that. Thank you. I be talking about the quality. Don't be hitting on nothing. You don't be hitting on nothing because you don't know how to pick them out. Thank you. Thank you. So then, oh, this is my second favorite one. I love a mini bag. When I tell you I wear her, she gonna get tired of me. Prepare to be sick of me, sister. Sorry, I love you too. And I'm got my stuff in her already. So this is how she looks on the inside. She has a zipper. She's the same way as the pink one, except she just has the authentication code there. And this is how it looks there as well. They're beautifully made, beautifully made. She sits really well on me too. I love this bag. Say about my little car. No, but seriously, I love this bag, seriously. The gold hardware is phenomenal. It's not too brassy or anything. Like, it looks really good. So next we have this bag from Lulu. We have her. She is beautifully made as well. The gold hardware, now finding out that it's a little like less, it's a little dingy is what I was told, been told. But I mean, sure, it still look good to me, baby. It still look good to me. I'd rather it look like this than it be too gold, and it's like, girl, that's really noticeable. This is not that noticeable. She's red in the inside. I did stuff her with some my other purses. Comes with the dust bag. Dust bag is really good. Really good material. Love this dust bag. Probably won't use it as much. She comes with this. This is how the hardware looks there. Hardware is there as well. Hope y'all can see. Like, she has them on both sides. I probably won't use this as much either because I feel like this bag is just supposed to be like handheld like this. But even there, like, she has all of this is a size 30, so it says it right there. And then here as well, like, it has the size. We want the ones that you can't tell. Like, we don't want to be like, ooh, you know, even though we're wearing them with confidence, we still want to look good, not tacky, you know. This is the inside. I love the red inside. She has this in the inside. Her zipper is with the logo there, zipper, and here. So 10. I am so sad about her because I feel like she could have been a little bit better, but beautiful, beautiful. When I tell you, I keep smelling this purse. I walk by her every single day, and because I love the smell. Like, this is real leather. This is like leather. It's so soft. It's so smushy. The red is not that red on her, which we love. We love that. We love that over here. You have the key that comes with her. I put that here. She has all of the things on her. As you can see, like, here has the, you know, logos there. Here, this should have been a flap. I know that it's not, but who's literally gonna check me about it? No, I'm just playing, but it's okay. And then I realized that this should have been a little bit bigger, but still a beautiful bag. Still beautiful bag. She comes with this. I put this together. Like, you have to put this together when you receive it, of course. And zipper, I stuff her so I can, you know. And then she comes with a wallet. So she comes with a wallet in there. I realized that the wallet should have this on there, but still beautiful. So, you know, she has the chain, and then you can hook it. You can hook it there. And the way that I wore mine is, I have not worn this bag yet, but I'm gonna wear it like that because I like the chain going over. That's so cute to me. And so in here, she does not have the logo in there, but I mean, it's still very cute. I still rate it a good quality bag with all the differences that come with this bag. Still very quality. Strap in there, same as the other strap. All the things are on there as well. Don't really think, I'm not gonna use this. Her dust bag is not as, like, this is kind of paper, but when we are shopping for these things, we're thinking of budget friendly, we're thinking of less money. So we have to kind of be realistic a little bit. If you're wanting to get higher quality, you have to pay a little bit more money. I do have more coming in the mail, and I'm excited to show you all those other hauls as well. But she's cute. I like her. And she's supposed to have a plate there, but she does not have she's supposed to have a plate there. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. She doesn't have a plate, but I don't mind it. Zipper has, she has a zipper in the inside. I don't know if you can see that. And there is so soft compared to my other ones. This is something that I was passed down from my grandmother. Gave, like, my auntie and my grandmother and stuff. They gave this to me. I've been wanting this back since I was a kid. I was like, Grandma, can I have that purse? Can I have that purse? She was like, no, baby, you can't have this one. So, you know, I would probably get a lot of more wear out of this one as well. This one is just for, like, you want to put it on. You want to be loud. I'm pretty much a little chill a little bit, but I have those pieces are loud that I want to be seen with, you know. And so I feel like this is one of those pieces where you want to be seen with. You wanted to know that you're there. And I'm you know, it depends on my mood, you know. It depends on the day, it depends on the mood. I might not want to be bothered. I might want to be stopped in my purse, you know. So if you are one of those people that, you know, fluctuate like me, we're human, educational purposes. I'm not telling you to get these things. I'm just educating you on what I have. And if you want to have them, you do what you will with that, okay? I couldn't fit all the bags in my hand, but now that you have a haul of all my bags, which one you think is your favorite? Let me know, y'all. takes on all these bags. Rate them in the comments. Get what y'all really think about each one of these bags and which one is your favorite. As always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. It is not an easy journey, but when I know that it's something for me and it's a promise that God has for me, I'm going to continue to be at it, regardless of if the devil think he won or not. He ain't did nothing. So with my suspension happening with my account, you know, it took a lot out of me to just keep pushing, to keep going, because when you are really dedicated for something, and I am a focused person, like when I'm in, it's nothing that is going to stop me. And so I feel like God probably paused me from being able to do certain things at this very moment, because I will overexert myself. But one thing I want to teach our ladies, our community, is no matter what you have on, you are still her. No matter what you are wearing, you are still her. No matter what people say about you, you are still her. No matter what, you are still going to be her. Through Christ, you are always going to win. I want you to remember that, okay? And so when you are on your purpose, when you are on your journey, when you are doing what you're supposed to do, the devil will come after you 10 toes down, but he ain't got nothing on God, on our God. And so if you are beginning your journey, whatever the case may be, please keep going. Do not give up. If you want to be an influencer, get going. Anything that you're sitting on, that business that God told you to do, that degree God told you to do, like anything, please don't sleep on yourself, because you are only stopping your own progress. So the purpose of this was to bring you in to my message. You know, and everybody wants to look good. Everybody wants to smell good. Everybody wants to feel good. And so when we look good, we feel good. So now that you feel good, now that you got the things that you want, now that you got these bags, do not forget to always keep God at your forefront of your life. Because these can go. They can go. And guess what? He's going to remain. He's going to keep pushing. He's going to give you more than what you have ever completely ever imagined. So I appreciate you all for watching my video. Like I said, thank you for 500 subscribers. Thank you for keeping us going. If you want to join my group, all of my information will be in the comments below, in the description below. And we will see you on the next video. Please let me know what you want me to post next. Bye.
Like, you got to really believe in yourself, and